Hey guys, today what we are going to do is we'll be creating two VMs, a storage account, and then we will create a file share in the storage account. And by doing that, not only will we be sharing files among all the three resources, that is the two VMs and the storage account, the file share account, but also we will see how any changes we make in any one of the folders or any one of the resources, any one of the VMs can be shared, appear straight away across all the three resources. So let's just begin. I've created a resource group already. Now I'm going to create a storage account. I'll just give it a standard name. I'll keep this LRS because this is just for demonstration purpose, and I will create. So the storage account has been created, as we can see over here. Now I'm going to create two VMs. I'll go here. This will be just a standard specifications when we create a VM in a storage account. So I'll give it name. I'll call it Windows, or I'll call it even better VM1. And the size is fine. I'll go to disks. And select standard HDD. As I had mentioned, this is just for demonstration purpose. And I'll go to advanced and untick the managed option. And finally, I'll go to management and select off. And I'll create. So the resource, the VM1 has been deployed. I'm now going to go ahead and create VM2. It will be based on the same specifications. I'll call it VM2 just for simplicity. The VM2 has now been created. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and log in to VM1. I could log into any VM, VM1 or VM2. So I just log into VM1. So I'm remotely logging into VM1. So while the login process is going on, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the storage account and create a file share. So I go here on the left and there is the option for file share, and I will create a new file share. I'll just call it new file share 1. For example, I leave this option transaction optimized, and I'll create. So that has been created. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remotely log in to the VM2 as well. So I'm logging in remotely to VM2. Now I will be going to my storage account. So as I had mentioned, into the file, into the storage account, into the file share. I've already created a file share, which is the new file share 1. Okay, so I'm going to connect. So this brings up a PowerShell script. I will copy the script and log in to VM1, for example. I could log into any VM. So I'll log into VM1 and I will go to the PowerShell. I will paste the PowerShell script, enter. Right. I will go to the partition click this PC, and I can see the new file share over here. So what I'm now going to do, just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to create some trial folders. So I'll call it like, say, trial folder. I'll just create a couple of files, like, say, I'll call it trial image and some text. I might just call it Yahoo text, just for namesake. Right. Now I am going to log into VM. I'll go to VM2. I'll go into PowerShell again. I will paste the same PowerShell script, enter. Now, if I enter the partition, you can see that the new file share is already here. The folders and text files which I created are also present over here. Now, also let's just confirm it in the actual file share. You can see over here all those files and folders have been populated over here as well. What I might just do now for demonstration purposes, I'll go to I'm in VM2. I'll just create a new folder right now. I will call it demo folder, for example. So now if I go to, so enter. And now if I go to VM1, so you can see the demo folder is already here. I literally created it a few seconds ago. It's already here, and we will now confirm that over here. I'll refresh this page in Azure, and the demo folder is already here. So as you have seen today, what I did today is I created a storage account, then I created two VMs, Windows VM, and then in the storage account I created a file share, and after I connected it to the VMs, you could see that any files I create in any of the VMs gets populated straight away. It appears straight away in the other VM as well as on Azure. So hope this is useful for you guys. Thank you very much. Thank you.